Hi, everyone. We're here at NAB New York. I'm John Restivo here with Atomos, and we're here to show off a few new products. The first is the Shinobi RX. It has HDMI in and out, SDI in and out, and also it has RX built in, which means it talks to the TX. So right now we're transmitting from our Ninja TX here, and we're receiving from the monitor. So with the Wi-Fi antennas, you just connect and you get the feed. So any camera, it works with any camera or anything you want to send wirelessly. So this is the new flagship Ninja TX. We have SDI built in and out, HDMI in and out. It's a 1500 nit display. It's really exciting because it has USB-C for power on the back. There's one for power and two for accessories. So you can use a mic or any third-party accessory you want to power over USB-C. And then it's CF Express B type. So new media type. It's all built in, camera to cloud. So basically you can send H.265 files straight to Atmosphere. You can use Frame IO. There's a bunch of different options. It also does live streaming to YouTube, Twitch, things like that. It's also built into the Ninja TX is AirGlue. And AirGlue enables you to do multi-cam. If you want to do triggering of multiple cameras, multiple Atomos devices, and be timecode sunk, you'll have multiple Atomos Ninjas, and you can sync timecode and you can trigger the camera. We have multiple options for false color. We have EL zone, we have Atomos. So this is the Ninja TX as well. Everything's built in. This one just has the small rig cage on it. The color of the antennas are very nice because you can customize your units. I like to put different colors on them, but you can swap them, mix and match them, whatever you want to do. These are also new. These are the StudioSonic headphones. Can't really hear anything, but they're very comfortable, so give them a shot. And of course, this is the Sumo 19. You know, it's a quad switcher. You can have 12G SDI in. You can do quad splitting. Right now, we're just showing like a demo reel on it, but you have XLR inputs on the back. Yeah, so the Sumo can do 4 inputs as well, so you can set the monitor up into quad splitting mode, so you can actually record all 4 feeds, and you can do a touchscreen line cut, so you can send that out as well. So on the record, you'll have 4 ISOs, and the 5th recording will be the line cut. The monitor also does false color. All right, again, this is John Restivo from Atomos. Thanks for stopping by, Walter. Appreciate it.